Hello, dear viewers. Today, I invite you to explore the fascinating world of the universe, full of mysteries, wonders, and remarkable discoveries. Did you know that the universe is composed of billions of galaxies, each potentially containing hundreds of billions of stars? It's truly mind-blowing. And what's more, our own galaxy, the Milky Way, is just one of the many galaxies that exist in the cosmos. Each galaxy has its unique structure and history. Some have spiral arms, others are elliptical, and some even have peculiar shapes. Each of them holds secrets about the birth and evolution of stars and planets. Did you know that the universe is also filled with mysterious black holes? These are objects with such strong gravitational fields that not even light can escape their grasp. Black holes are captivating places that bend time and space in extraordinary ways. And what about cosmic nebulae? They are beautiful clouds of gas and cosmic dust where new stars are born. Nebulae are filled with intense colors and shapes that leave us in awe. A big question that puzzles scientists is the existence of extraterrestrial life. Are we alone in the universe? Is there another planet out there, far away, harboring life forms similar to our own? It's a fascinating subject that provokes us to search for answers and contemplate endless possibilities. Exploring the universe is a thrilling journey through time and space. Our channel aims to share this passion with you and inspire you to delve into the mysteries of the cosmos. Together, we will discover new facts, ask questions, and expand our knowledge about this vast and extraordinary place we find ourselves in. Join our community of space enthusiasts. Subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our exciting videos. Amazing adventures, intriguing facts, and inspiring stories await you as we uncover the greatness and mystery of the universe. Thank you for being with us and joining us in admiring the beauty and enigma of the universe. Get ready for incredible discoveries and cosmic revelations.